Here's a guide on how to enable the Bluetooth settings on your itouch Air smartwatch. So if you purchase this smartwatch here in particular here, this one right here, and you want to connect it to your Samsung phone, you have a Samsung phone here, and I'll show you guys how to do that for you. Okay, so first things first, on the watch itself, when you are viewing the time area here, go ahead and swipe up going like this, okay? So just go ahead like this here. Then you're gonna see these tiles like that show up here. So just go ahead and swipe over, keep swiping over until you see the BT one, the one that says BT, this one right here. Then tap on that one time. This is gonna show up like that. Let me get a little closer for you. So when you see this here, tap on search BT. That's gonna ask you if you want to turn on the Bluetooth settings. You'll just have to press yes. Then you'll see it says switching, then you will see it say searching. So while it's searching here now, you'll hop over to your Samsung phone, just rest down your watch, or if you have it on currently at the time here, you'll head over to your Samsung phone here, and you'll go ahead and pull down the quick panel access here once or twice until you see the Bluetooth toggle right there. So long press that. This is going to show you this here, and I want you to go to where it says details to get a better view of what's really going on with your Bluetooth settings. So just go ahead and turn that on now. Then you'll see that it's searching for nearby devices, and don't tap on where it says that, okay? Don't tap on the iTouch on your watch itself. You'll most likely see two, as you can see right now. So to avoid any issues or anything like that, tap on it from your phone, your screen for the watch itself here. Tap on it here, and you'll see stop searching, it'll say pairing, and you'll get that pairing request on your phone screen right there. So press pair, and it's going to say connected and all that stuff. And you want to press allow if you wanted to accept calls. And you'll see that it says the iTouch Air here. It's connected to the Samsung phone where my thumb is pointing. That will be the Samsung phone name here. Then you can also, on your Samsung phone here where the settings icon is, you will tap here, and that's going to allow you to make the calls with it. Okay, so hopefully this guide helped you here, and like and sub.